Let's proceed to number 7. So, find dy over dx and simplify whenever possible. So, for number 7, y is equals to hyperbolic arc cosine of secant 2x. So, first thing first, we will take note that the derivative of hyperbolic arc cosine u is equals to 1 all over square root of u squared minus 1 du over dx. So our u here is equals to secant 2x. So the derivative of secant u is equals to secant u tan u du over dx. So take note of this one. So we are now ready to differentiate. So we have y prime is equals to, so 1 derivative of hyperbolic arc cosine u is equals to 1 all over square root of u squared. So u squared, so we have secant squared 2x minus 1. So u squared minus 1. So du over dx, so derivative of secant 2x is equals to secant 2x tangent 2x. So derivative of 2x, so it is just equals to 2. So we have y prime is equals to 1 all over, so square root of secant squared 2x minus 1. So take note that, so just simplify first. So we have secant squared 2x minus 1. So 2 secant 2x tangent of 2x. So take note that the identity tangent squared theta is equals to so we have secant squared theta. So we have secant squared theta is equals to 1 plus tangent squared theta. So if we further evaluate, we have tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta minus 1. So we'll have simplification. We have tangent theta is equals to square root of secant squared theta minus 1. So we apply a square root to both sides. So we'll apply this identity to the denominator. So we have y prime is equals to 1 all over. So we have square root of secant squared 2x minus 1 is just equals to tan theta. So we have tan 2x times 2 secant 2x tangent of 2x. So we have y prime is equals to, so I will now cancel tangent of 2x. So the remaining will be 2 secant 2x. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So y prime is equals to 2 secant of 2x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.